As part of the Atea Cloud Academy initiative that we started back in January, we've run multiple different boot camps over the last year, focusing on multiple subjects such as infrastructure management and security. And now I'm extremely happy and proud to stand here in Riga for the third iteration of our Cloud Academy, focusing on data. But why data?
So why data? Well, it turns out that IT does not work in a vacuum. IT always serves the business. And the business is most often constructed by data. There's an analogy going around that says data is the new oil. And while I don't necessarily agree that data has anything to do with oil, it is a commodity. And anyone who can refine their data into information is going to have an edge over their competitors. And this is what we're looking at this week. We're looking at storing your data, analyzing your data, and visualizing your data. It's all about analysis and having insights from your data, whatever that data may be. So while the training itself is hugely important, the so-called hallway track, where you get to meet the other people of the training, is just as important. Take for instance, if you find someone in Latvia with specific knowledge that can benefit someone in Finland, or someone in Norway helps someone in Sweden to do things. Just getting together, meeting the people, realizing we're sharing the same knowledge, we're teaching, we're training each other, and just helping ourselves to grow. That's so important, and it has been an excellent week for this.